Mnangagwa's sons accused of state capture in multiple deals. The 9th of September 2025. Spread the Love by Chenyi Mutambasser. Zimbabwean citizens are raising alarms over what appears to be a growing pattern of state capture linked to President Emmerson Mnangagwa's sons, Collins and Sean Mnangagwa, as well as their associate Mnangagwa. Observers point to a series of contracts, property acquisitions, and mining ventures that critics say exemplify the appropriation of public resources for private gain. Auto road grab. Collins Mnangagwa reportedly applied to the Harare City Council to close and purchase part of Auto Road in the Highlands suburb for a 3-story residential property. The road is widely used by residents, children, and workers. Critics warn that privatizing public infrastructure sets a dangerous precedent. DRAC COVID-19 supply contracts. During the 2019-2020 COVID-19 pandemic, DRAX International was awarded government contracts worth a combined $60 million to supply medical equipment and medicines. Investigations revealed that DRAX's local operations were fronted by Nelsonchamisa, a close associate of Collins Mnangagwa. The contracts bypassed standard competitive bidding procedures. Pomona Waste-to-Energy Project. The Harare City Council awarded a 30-year concession to the Netherlands-based Geogenics BV to develop a waste-to-energy plant at the Pomona dump site. The project obliges the city to pay Geogenics approximately $40 per ton of garbage, totaling roughly $344 million over the life of the deal. Local operations are reportedly managed by Mnangagwa, with Collins and Sean Mnangagwa involved in negotiating the agreement in Europe. Mining ventures. Collins Mnangagwa has also been linked to mining operations in Zimbabwe. Reports associate him with Changxi Mining, PVT Limited, a gold operation facing community complaints over blasting, dust, and environmental degradation. Additionally, he is linked to the Sabai lithium and tantalum mine, part of Zimbabwe's lithium boom, raising concerns over labor and community impacts. Observers and activists warn that these cases are indicative of a broader pattern of state resource capture and call for closer scrutiny. Citizens are being urged to report other alleged deals and associations to ensure accountability.